Bonjour, bonjour, the French Master Diet here. Je pense que vous vous portez bien. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to learn the difference between ou and ou. So in French, we have two types of ou. So one with accent and one without accent. One with accent grave, one without accent grave. So the one without accent, it actually means or. So it gives an option. Or, for example, j'aime la banane ou l'orange comme fruit. J'aime la banane ou l'orange comme fruit. So I like banana or orange as fruits. You see? So it indicates whether you like this or that. Okay. Now you can replace this ou with ou bien. So when, let's say for instance, in that sentence, I can say j'aime la banane ou bien l'orange comme fruit. So it's possible. So meaning that that's the kind of ou you are going to use. The other ou with accent, which is with accent, it actually indicates a place. Where. Okay. So example of a sentence is où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Or d'où viens-tu? Where are you coming from? Or where are you from? Or où habites-tu? Where do you live? Okay. This où, you cannot replace it ou bien. So let's say example. If I say où bien habites-tu? No. So that's not the right French. So once you cannot replace the statement or you cannot replace that ou with ou bien, meaning that the ou you are going to use is a ou with accent. Donc, merci beaucoup. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and I'll gladly answer that. If you have a particular video you want me to do for you, let me know. I'll gladly do that. Kindly follow me and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when you go to YouTube, you just search for the French Master GH. The link is actually in my bio too. So the French Master GH, subscribe so that we hit the 1,000 subscribers. We are already 900 and something. And here to make sure I get 1,000 subscribers so I'll start going live. Merci beaucoup. Bon dimanche. Au revoir.